my name is Willie Mistoque from CSB Lady Blazers, and this is my bucket list. My number one bucket list is renovation of our house. Yan yung pinaka-priority ko since yan din yung promise ko sa parents ko. And then, second is visit my dream destination, which is yung Paris. Since high school kasi yan yung pinaka-favorite place na gusto kong puntahan until now. And then, the third bucket list ko naman is to have my own dog since dog lover po ako. And then, go on hiking. Gusto ko lang siya matry since siguro for me na athlete, then ayun. And gusto ko rin na bucket list ko is go on camping. Gusto ko lang matry since lahat ng nakaka-try ng mga camping parang relaxing lang. So ayun.